Hi there, I'm Dave Alward, Premier of New Brunswick. I hope you'll join us here in Fredericton this October for the 2012 Annual Conference and Exhibition of the Transportation Association of Canada. Our capital city looks forward to welcoming you to Canada's largest annual gathering of transportation professionals. Fredericton is a smart and modern city that is rich in experiences, history, and natural beauty. This year's conference is an opportunity for you to experience our distinct cultures, hospitality, and quality of life. The conference's sessions and workshops will take place at the brand new Fredericton Convention Center, an ultra-modern facility in our historic downtown. Within a short walk of the center, you will find world-class art galleries, universities, architecture, and heritage sites. Autumn is the perfect time of year to explore the colors of the St. John River Valley and the wonder of the world-famous Bay of Fundy. I invite you to experience New Brunswick, and we look forward to seeing you here in October.